Motorola has added two new smartphones to its popular Moto G series lineup. The new smartphones Moto G5s and Moto G5s Plus have been priced at Rs 13,999 and 15,999. Both the devices are Amazon exclusive and will go on sale starting tonight at 11:59 pm. The smartphone at your screen is the bigger one, Moto G5s Plus, that sports a 5.5-inch Full HD screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Motorola Moto G5s Plus is also the first handset in the Moto G lineup that brings a dual camera setup. Here we have a 13 plus 13 megapixel rear camera that can also shoot bokeh effect. Moto G5s Plus is powered by a Snapdragon 625 chipset which is paired up with 4GB of RAM to take care of multitasking. Moreover, there is 64GB of internal storage that can be expanded by up to 128GB with the help of microSD card slot. The handset runs stock Android 7.1.1 Nougat and is powered by a 3000 mAh battery unit. I am Rohit Arora and this is the unboxing and first impressions of Moto G5s Plus, the latest mid-range Android smartphone from Motorola. So let's get started. Here we have the box of the latest Motorola Moto G5s Plus mid-range Android smartphone. At the rear side of the box you can see most of the specifications, the highlight ones of course. We have a 14cm that is 5.5-inch Full HD screen, an octa-core processor, a dual 13 megapixel rear camera which makes this Moto G device the first Moto G handset with dual lens camera setup. Besides we also have an 8 megapixel front camera. So without any further ado, let's just quickly unbox the smartphone and see what else we have in the box. So here we have the smartphone Moto G5s Plus handset. Let's just keep it aside for a while to see what else we have here. So we have the standard set of manuals and warranty cards. If you buy the smartphone you will need this warranty card and manuals. Luckily you also get a pair of standard earphones, which is a good thing because most of the Chinese companies have now forgotten the fact that as a user you need a standard pair of earphones with your smartphone. Besides we have the standard micro USB data cable. This is not a type C cable, this is a standard cable, and we also have a turbo charger in the package and a SIM ejector tool. The irony is Lenovo, which is the parent company of Motorola, does not provide you a standard pair of earphones with Lenovo K8 Note, but you get them with Moto G5s Plus, which is definitely a good thing. Coming back on the smartphone, at front we have a 5.5-inch Full HD display that offers you a pixel density of 401 ppi, making it quite crisp. The display is very responsive and you also get a Gorilla Glass 3 coating here. So if you love to watch videos and play games, you will like this display because it is quite vibrant, and the sunlight visibility is also good because I have used this handset in outdoor conditions and the display is quite bright. As you can see, here we have the full brightness and you can control it with this slider. So the highlight feature, let me tell you, is the 13 plus 13 megapixel dual camera setup. So let me just give you a small demo of how this depth feature works on this handset. So here we have the normal mode. I'll just click a picture with the normal mode, and now I'll take a picture with the depth enabled mode. So here you can see the subject, which is the box, is in focus and the background has been blurred because of the 13 megapixel secondary camera that let you capture the bokeh effect. So I'll just take a picture, and as you can see I also have a slider on the camera app that allows me to control the aperture value. So I'll keep it to the maximum, and here we have a shot. So the camera takes a little while to process the image because it captures the bokeh effect here. So let me just show you what we have got here, and this is the bokeh mode here. As you can see, the subject is in which is the box, is in focus and the background has been blurred, and this is the normal picture. You can actually separate both the pictures and see the difference. I'll also show you some camera samples. So here we have a camera sample. You can see the car in the focus and the background has been blurred, which is very nice because the effect does not look very unnatural, because we have seen that in most of the smartphones at this price point this effect does not seem very good and seems very unnatural. And here you can see in another camera sample, you can actually spot the difference between these two images. As you can see here everything is in focus, and in the second image you can see that the the first diary, the brown one is in focus and everything else is not in focus. And the smartphone has a front mounted fingerprint scanner, which can also be used as a home button. This is a non-clickable button, and on the right side we have the power button and the volume rockers, and on the left side we have the hybrid SIM card tray. This is a weak point here because Lenovo offers you a dedicated micro SD card slot with K8 Note, but you only get a hybrid SIM card slot with Moto G5s Plus. Talking about the specification, the smartphone runs on Android 7.1 Nougat, the stock Android experience, which is the highlight of the Motorola smartphones. And then you get a Snapdragon 625 CPU, an octa-core processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that can be expanded by up to 128GB with the help of micro SD card slot. We have a unibody metal design. The smartphone feels quite premium and also feels quite sturdy in hand. We have the standard Moto camera module, the round camera module, but we have a dual camera here. And another weak point of the smartphone besides the hybrid SIM card slot is the 3000 mAh battery unit, but it's too early to give a verdict on the battery's performance because we haven't reviewed the smartphone. We will give you the final verdict in our comprehensive review where we will test the battery performance, the gaming performance, the multitasking and everything. So this was pretty much everything about the latest Motorola Moto G5s Plus. You can subscribe our Gizbot YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology. You just saw the first impressions of latest Motorola Moto G5s Plus. Moreover, you can also check the text version of this first impression where you can see the price and everything else in detail. So this was Rohit Arora signing off from Gizbot. Have a good day.